Children, in the previous video, I have taught you about changes in lifestyle. Now we will start with changes in food. Food habits of people have changed over the years. Earlier, people ate a simple meal using the food crops and spices available on their farmland. Today, we get to eat a variety of food, not only those belonging to our country, but the world over. Now, today, we are getting a variety of food to eat. You can just imagine, like we are eating Indian food, we are eating continental food, we are eating Chinese food. Means a variety of food is available today for us to eat. But in the olden days, people didn't enjoy all these kind of food. They used to eat simple meal like the foods or vegetables or spices which they used to grow on their farmland. But today we are enjoying different types of food which are available not only in our country but of other countries also. With changes in lifestyle, people like to use packaged food products that reduce cooking time and are easy to use. Now you can see in the picture itself some packaged food products have been shown over here. Like today, people prefer to buy packaged food products. Like you know that peas also come in packets. When you go to the market, peas are packed in the packets. People prefer to buy packed food. Why? Because that takes less time in cooking. So they prefer to buy packaged food products which takes less time in cooking and are ready to use. Now move on to the next page. Next is changes in work. Like children, in the olden days, people were 80% of the population of India was mostly engaged in agriculture. Agriculture means farming. But today, people are engaged in agriculture, but many of the people have migrated to cities. Why? So as to look for some new jobs. Like some have opened their own business, or some are working in the private offices, or some are working in the government offices. So let's start reading with this paragraph. If you look around you, will observe that different people do different types of work. When you see around you, you see that different people are doing different types of work. Like your mother might be a teacher, your father might be a doctor, or your father might be a farmer, your mother might be a housewife. So there are people who are doing different types of job. Like in your neighborhood also you can find many people who are doing different types of jobs. Some do more physical work while some work in offices. In villages, people are more engaged in agriculture. Like some people are more engaged in physical work, like in hard work, like those people who are working in the open fields. They are doing more physical work rather than those people who are working in the offices. In villages, people are mostly engaged in what? Agriculture. Agriculture means in farming, means in growing fruits and vegetables. In cities, people usually work in private companies or government offices. Some people set up their own business and trade in goods and services. Like in cities, as I've already told you, in cities, people work in private companies or in government offices. And some people are there who open their own business. What kind of business? In the sale and purchase of goods and services. Like your father or mother might be a businessman selling many kinds of things. Like your father might be having a grocery shop, or your mother might be running her own business or a boutique. So these are the examples of people who run their own business. Now let's move on to the next paragraph. Changes in houses. Over the years, a lot of changes have taken place in the shape and structure of the houses. Earlier, the houses were big and spacious, where large joint families lived together all in one house. Today, the houses in the cities are small and usually built in an apartment. A wide difference in build-up of the houses can be seen in different parts of the country depending upon the climate of the place. Now, in the olden days, people used to live in very simple houses, and those houses used to be very big and spacious. The meaning of spacious is already given in your book, means having a lot of space. Like earlier in the olden days, people used to have joint families. They used to live in joint families. Big joint families used to live in one house, and those houses used to be very big and spacious. So big families used to adjust themselves in those big and spacious houses. But nowadays, as you know, that people prefer to live in nuclear families. So they prefer to have small houses or prefer to live in apartments. The meaning of apartment I have already told you means flats. People prefer to live in flats in the big cities, or they own a very small house. So the shape and structure of the houses is entirely different from the shape and structure of the houses which used to be in the past. Moreover, the difference in the houses is due to the climate of a particular place. Like you can observe in the picture, here this is a mud house in a village. This is the large spacious house in the city. And these are the apartments. This whole big building contains different apartments, like first apartment, second, third, fourth. All these are the apartments. Means these are the flats in which people live with their families. Now move on to the next paragraph. Changes in clothes. Look at an old album or an old family picture. Do you wear the same kind of clothes that your parents or grandparents wore? Now, just try to tell your parents to show you the album of your parents' marriage. Like you will observe there in that album that some difference is there in the type of clothes the people used to wear in those days and the people are wearing today. In those olden days, people used to wear simple clothes, but today we are wearing a variety of different types of clothes, having different colors, different fabric, different designs. So many differences there in the type of clothes we people wear today, and our grandparents or parents used to wear in the olden days. No, there has been a vast change in the type of clothes people wear today. Vast means big. There's a big change in the type of clothes people used to wear in the olden days and the people are wearing today. Earlier, people wore more simple and traditional clothes. Earlier, in the olden days, people used to wear simple and traditional clothes. Traditional clothes means the clothes which was allowed to wear according to their traditions and customs. Today, there is more variety in clothes in terms of design, style, color, and fabric. Nowadays, people wear more modern clothes. The meaning of fabric is given there, cloth made by weaving of fibers. Now, when you go to the market today, you will find out different types of fabric. Cotton fabric, silky fabric, so many different types of fabrics are available in the market and of different designs, different colors, so different styles. So today we are enjoying all these. We are wearing all these types of clothes today. Means we are wearing a modern clothes today as compared to the clothes which our grandparents or parents used to wear in their time. Moreover, people in different parts of India wear different clothes depending upon their religion, culture, age, and climatic conditions. Now, in different parts of India, like the clothes which we are wearing in our state, Punjab, it doesn't mean that if we are wearing suits, if the ladies are wearing suits in Punjab, in South also the ladies are wearing suits. No. There's a huge difference between the type of clothes people are wearing in different states of India. Like in Punjab, ladies prefer to wear suits, salwar kameez. But in South, when you go to the South, ladies prefer to wear saris over there. In Punjab, men like to wear trousers and shirts. But when you go to the South, men usually wear dhoti and kurta. So there's a huge difference between the between the type of clothes people are wearing in different parts of India. And moreover, it depends on the climate of the place also. Like here in the summer season, we are wearing cotton clothes. In the winter season, we are wearing woolen clothes. But when we go to a hill station, even during the summer season, there it is so cold that the people are using woolen clothes. Now move on to the next page. Changes in traditions. India is a land rich in traditions and customs. Different traditions and customs are practiced in different parts of the country. However, with the increase in education and social awareness, people are now adopting a more modern outlook towards life. Like in the olden days, people used to follow a lot of traditions and customs. India is a land of traditions and customs. We people are following these traditions and customs from the very old times. But today, people prefer to follow a modern outlook towards life rather than following these traditions and customs. But this doesn't mean that we should not follow our traditions and customs. We should follow along with the modern outlook towards life. Now, this exercise, fill in the blanks below to understand how changes have taken place around us over the years. On the left side, we are going to write about the things we used to do in the past. And now on the right side, we have to write we are doing now in the present. Lifestyle in the past, traditional. Spelling traditional, traditional. Then, as compared to the past, in the present, which type of lifestyle are we following in the present? Modern. MODERN. What kind of food people used to eat in the past? Simple meal. And what kind of food people are eating in the present? Packaged food. PACKAGED. Packaged. What kind of work people used to do in the past? Basically, agriculture. AGRICULTURE. And today, at present, people are preferring to open their own business or work in the office. BUSINESS or office. OFFICE. Houses. In the olden days, people used to live in big houses, but nowadays people prefer to live in small houses. In the olden days, people used to wear simple clothes, but nowadays people used to wear modern clothes. People used to follow old traditions in the olden days, but nowadays people are following a modern outlook towards life. Modern outlook towards life. This story I will explain you in the next video.